Good morning, friend. My name is Pankaj Kumar. Today I'm going to show you a simulation of inverting amplifier. We will draw some frequency response and analog graph also. So let's we open Proteus, make a new project, name as inverting amplifier. Okay. Okay. You can make anywhere. I'm using a document itself. Now next, if you want to create a schematic, then you create. Otherwise, you are not creating. No, it's no man. Anyone you can select. Okay. Next. Now finish. So for designing a inverting amplifier, we need one op amp uh, and one resistance of 1k or one resistance for feedback. We will take 10k. You may take, according to you also, you may take 10k, 100k, 1k, 100k. Remember, feedback resistor should be higher than the input resistor. So let's we have some knowledge about inverting amplifier. Go to the Wikipedia. It is the best for a student. You should also learn from here. Actually, must in most of interview, the instructor or interviewer used to ask question from uh, Wikipedia because they have no book to refer because they are used to working. So they used to study from the internet sources and they used to ask a question in interview. So I will recommend you to what topic you are going to study. You should also study through Wikipedia also and also from your teacher, refer from teacher or textbook also. So this is our circuit diagram for inverting amplifier. This is op amp. We will take here for IC 741 Rin and RF. You know V out formula is minus RF divided by Rin into Vin. So let's design. Go to the Proteus. We will take op amp 741. 741. Okay. Click here OK button. You see our component is added to the library. Now we need a resistor. Just type res. Okay, generic resistor. Anything we need now we will take from here itself. So click on 741 which component you want and come to the your board and click there. Actually I want to invert this upward. Okay, it is easy to connect RF because and these all things being VE. Now click on resistor. Let me first zoom it. Oh, not looking well. Okay, I think it is much. Let me little bit zoom out. Okay. Now we will take resistor according to the our circuit diagram. If you don't know about pin diagram of IC741, so you refer internet search. It will be generally pin number 2 is inverting input, pin 2 is non-inverting, pin 7 is VCC, Pin 4 is minus VE or pin 6 is V out. So we need two resistor, one to go in and given to, oh, what is happening? Select on resistor, connect, push here, one for RF. Okay. Now let me drag it to, okay. Now simple tab here and connect to here. Tab and connect. Tab connect to the B6. Actually we already see circuit diagram. According to this we have to make our circuit. Okay. Later on we will give all the value of RF, V in, VEE. So now this should be go to the ground. So from here we can take a terminal mode. Here, look here. From terminal mode, you will see here ground, default input output. Select ground and click there and connect to this. Okay, I need V in also. So we will go to terminal and input. No, I will go to the here device mode. Actually we will go to the here. From here actually we are giving sinusoidal, I mean AC. So we will select sine, we will connect to this, and we will also we have to give VCC also. So we will take DC and connect to the 4 pin and let it invert by image X. No, invert with Y. Okay, it's easy to connect, nothing else. Okay, we will connect for V in and V out probes, which will be measure the actually we measure input. So we measuring voltage. Now connect same to the out also. Okay. Yeah. Now we are taking R1 is would take 1K. Okay, we can take also 10K, 100K, no problem. Here R2 is 10K, okay, but let's rename this RF. It is easy to understand, and this is R in. Okay, we set here input amplitude 200 millivolt. Look here, amplitude is given in volt. So actually we want to give amplitude in millivolt. So use decimal. It will be 200 millivolt. Similarly, you can check here 400 milliampere. Here it will be automatically it will come to milliampere. Period is also all things right. Check these all things. No need to worry about that all things. Actually, we will see next part in our next tutorial. See, I can store I can record only 10 minutes, so I have to close this. So please refer second part.